Welcome dear students. Today we will derive the expression for electric field due to electric dipole at equatorial point. Okay. So equatorial point means the point which lies directly perpendicular to the dipole. In that case, suppose we consider minus q charge at point A and plus q charge at point B. Suppose the midpoint be O, so the total distance or the dipole length be twice A. Suppose P be the point here, which is perpendicular to the dipole. In that case, if we join these lines, what will be the direction of electric field for this charge only at point P? So the electric field, as we all know that the direction of electric field always terminate at minus q charge. So the direction will be in this direction. We named it as EA vector, and the similar way the direction of electric field due to plus q charge will be away from the plus charge. It will be EB. Let theta be the angle and the length of the point P from O be R. Now the net electric field will be directed like this, where this angle will be theta. In the similar way, this angle will also be theta. So we need to find the expression of net electric field E. Okay. So first of all, we will write EA. The magnitude of EA will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by AP square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by the value of AP will be, this portion is A. The length of OA is A. In the similar way, the length of OB is also A. Now, the length of AP will be A square plus R square. Okay. In the similar way, EB will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BP square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. The value of BP is also same, A square plus R square. Okay. Here you can see the magnitude of EA and EB is same. So what will be the net electric field? Now the net electric field can be found by just resolving the net electric field E. E is equals to, we can solve it vectorically. See, here the angle is theta. We can resolve it into EA cos theta in the EA direction. In the similar way, in case of EB, we can resolve it into EB cos theta in the direction of EA. So it will be EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. And here we see the magnitude of EA and EB is same. So here we can write it will be twice EA cos theta. E is equals to. Now we will put the value of EA and cos theta. It will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square 2Q. The 2 is this number, and the value of cos theta. What will be the value of cos theta? Base by hypotenuse, it will be A divided by the value of hypotenuse will be a square plus r square to the power half. Here we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught twice a cube divided by a square plus r square whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, this is the net expression for electric field at point P due to dipole. So dear student, what will be the direction of electric field? Here you can see the direction of electric field in this direction, that means from right to left. But the direction of dipole moment is always directed from minus q charge to plus q charge. So it will be from A to B, that means left to right. So here we can see the direction is opposite in direction. So we can write, in case of equatorial point, the direction of electric field and dipole moment are opposite. Now we will write the special case. If suppose the R, that means the point P, is at very far distance from the dipole, that means we can write R much greater than A. In the simpler way, we can just neglect the value of A from the above expression and we will get like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught twice A cube divided by, we will directly neglect the value of A, so we will get R cube. Here we can write the value of twice A cube as P, because we all know that the value of P is twice A cube, which is the dipole moment. So we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. It is the expression for electric field situated at very far distance when R is much greater than A, then only. So here what we get, the expression for electric field at a point P situated at a distance R from the center of the dipole. This is the ultimate expression. You can also put the value of P, we can replace 2aq by P. So it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by A square plus R square whole to the power 3 by 2. So dear student, we have derived the expression for the electric field here. So if there is any queries regarding this topic, regarding the derivation or the expression, you can comment below. Thank you.